Hello, today. Let's talk about two really nice devices on the market. We have here a nice showdown today, the iPhone Air versus the Samsung Galaxy S22. Ooh, everyone are looking for this fight, of course. First, of course, let's talk about the design. This is where the difference is most, of course, striking. The iPhone Air, as the name suggests, is an impossible thin, only 5.6 millimeter thick device, and it will be built with a new titanium design and features Apple Ceramic Shield 2 on the back. This making it incredible light, but also surprisingly durable. It's a design that feels like we are holding a piece of futuristic tech in our pocket. On the other side, there is the Samsung Galaxy S22. When it was released, it's 7.7 millimeter thickness, and the aluminum frame were consistent, of course, premium. It's a solid family design that still holds up, but next to the iPhone Air, we can see how much more compact and streamlined the phones have become, of course. Now, for the internals. Under the hood, they have a massive performance gap. The iPhone Air is powered by A19 Pro chip, a powerhouse that delivers incredible performance for everyone from high-end gaming to advanced AI features. It runs iOS 26 with all the latest Apple Intelligence features. The Samsung Galaxy S22, on the other hand, runs on Snapdragon 8th generation CPU or an Exynos 2200 CPU, depending on the region. When it came out, this was top-of-the-line processors, but today it's a standard mid-range chip. The S22 launched with Android 12, but it has received major updates since then. Now running on the latest version of the One UI. Let's talk about the camera system. The iPhone Air features a single but incredible powerful 48 megapixel main camera with the new Fusion camera. It uses advanced computing photography to produce stunningly detailed images and 4K HDR videos. The front-facing camera is also a new 18 megapixel center stage camera with a square sensor. That's perfect for group selfies and video calls. And I think this selfie cam is the best I ever seen on an iPhone. The Galaxy S22 has more traditional triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel wide lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. In its day, this was one of the most versatile camera systems on the phone. The photos it takes are still excellent, but the lack of the pure processing power and the detail that iPhone Air's A90 Pro chip can now deliver more. So what's the takeaway there? The Samsung Galaxy S22 was a fantastic flagship in its time, and it still holds up a solid daily driver. But the iPhone Air is a clear look at the future of the smartphone, thinner, lighter, and more powerful than they would have imagined just a few years ago. This comparison isn't really about which phone is better. The iPhone Air, with its A19 Pro chip as a breakthrough design, is the clear winner in every technical category. But what? This show is incredible pace of innovation. The S22 was a peak of mobile tech in 2022, and the iPhone Air is a peak in 2025. It's a treatment to how far this comparison pushed the boundaries of what's possible in our pockets in only about 3 years. So, of course, if you're searching a cheap alternative to an iPhone, the S22 is your phone because it runs everything what you need. It comes with a good photo and so on. But if you like state-of-the-art to be, that's the iPhone Air, of course. Which one of these phones would you rather have? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this style of videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.